What's going on YouTube? Mr. Random here checking in. So in today's video, we got an LS2 6.0 here, and we're gonna be removing these heads off of this engine and just checking it out, seeing how it looks before we start this rebuild process. So if you're new, I appreciate it if you comment, like, and subscribe. Let me know what you think about the channel. Be sure to turn that post notification bell on so you could be alerted every time we post. Let's get it, gang. Mr. Random. All right, guys, we got us a 15mm right here for our head bolts. We're gonna try to remove everything. We're leaving our valve train in place. All right, y'all. Let's take this top valve train off so we get these heads off of here. All right, gang. We got one of our heads off. This is the gasket. You can tell that it was leaking. You can see water all in the piston, on top of the pistons, and the sleeves. See the sleeves rusted there. Just bit of rust right there. You could definitely tell it was sitting. That's probably where the motor was stuck at. That's probably where it was stuck at, in that spot right there. And I'll show you all the little clips of that video. It's getting stuck right there, son. Look, I'm gonna turn it. That thing's getting stuck right there. I'm gonna come back this way. So y'all see, she look pretty rough, gang. I'm gonna try to pull that other head off of there, and we're gonna see what's going on. Y'all see the push rods, real smoky. Definitely had some miles on it. Don't look like they was running no engine coolant neither. Bad oil changes. You see how it looks after a while. I mean, even might clean it up. Definitely gonna have to try to do something with this block though. You know, that rust spot. We'll see how that goes. And this is the head right here as well. We can get a look at it. Y'all see it's pretty beat as well. Spark plugs are real bad. Yep. So let's go ahead on grab the other head off of there. and see what we got here. All right, gang. Passenger side of the engine. We'll snap these valve covers off. Let's go ahead and pop our valve train loose. Alright, gang, got us a 15 millimeter. So we're gonna pop out bolts on our heads. Got some 10 millimeter bolts right here that we need to grab out of there. These right here, guys. So I'm gonna grab those right quick and we'll be able to remove our head. Alright, guys. Let's go ahead and remove our cylinder. Our head, I'm sorry. Oh, look at that, y'all. Oh my goodness. Water in two of the cylinders. Look at that. And I'm gonna go ahead on and pull these push rods out. Y'all can see the push rods, they pretty much smoke. So this will definitely have to be a full rebuild. I guess it had bad head gaskets. It was leaking that water up in there. Yep. Alright. Well, see that water up in there? So definitely gotta be a bad head gasket, huh? Y'all see our engine right here. Y'all see our engine. This is him. Let's turn it. Alright, gang. So we done pulled our heads off of this LS2 6.0 that messing with, supposed to be going in the Impala. But y'all can see it's pretty rough. Actually, I might have to turn a block so y'all can get an angle this way. Let's see. See if y'all can see it. And when I first tried to turn this motor, it was actually locked up. So I'm gonna try to get some turns on it and see how freely it moves. You see it's in pretty rough shape. So I'm not even sure if I can save this. I've never messed with an engine with a sidewalls, you know, rusted, but might just need to be cleaned up, you know. Maybe we could just clean it up and throw some fresh head gaskets on it. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. So I'm gonna try to turn it right quick and see how freely she moves. All right. All right. So you can see it's definitely gonna need some working. But I mean, for the most part, it looks like it's free, you know. Check out all of our pistons. Like the little dirt off of them. The oily debris. Alright, YouTube. So if you enjoyed the video, stay tuned. Be sure you subscribe and turn that bell on. We're coming back with lots more on this engine and everything else we can add to the collection. Let's get it.